Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. In last week, we have started this topic. Our topic's name is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. Okay. In this topic, we have learned brave Maratha Sardars, tradition of valor, the temple of Grushneshwar. In that we have learned that this Grushneshwar's temple was in the condition to fall down, but Maloji Raje Bhosle repaired it and he settled it in a good condition. Who had done this? Maloji Raje Bhosle. Okay, so today we are going to learn the Bhosles of Verud. What is our topic's name? The Bhosles of Verud. The Bhosles of Verud. So first of all will open your textbook. Your textbook's page number 10. Our point is the Bhosles of Verud. Okay. I'll read it and I'll explain you. Okay. So first of all, put your index finger on proper line. See. The Bhosles of Verud. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verud, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a Patil in the Verud village. See, this much we'll see first. See, now we have to learn about Bhosle family. Okay, keep in mind, we are going to learn about Bhosle family. So, and Bhosle belongs to Verud. Yesterday we have seen. Likewise, Nimbalkar belongs to Paltan. Like the same way, Bhosle belongs to Verud. So, in this paragraph, we are going to learn family of Bhosle. Okay. So, see, Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verud, was a great devotee of Shiva. So, he has repaired the temple, Grushneshwar's temple. Who have repaired it? Maloji Raje Bhosle. Okay. So see, he was Patil of Verud, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. See, who is here? Babaji Raje. Look at the board. Babaji Raje. Babaji Raje had two sons. His elder son's name is Maloji Raje. What is his name? Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje. And younger son's name is Vithoji Raje. See, Babaji Raje Bhosle, he had two sons. Elder son is Maloji Raje and younger son is Vithoji Raje. Vithoji Raje Bhosle and Maloji Raje Bhosle. Who have repaired that Grushneshwar's temple? This Maloji Raje Bhosle. He was great devotee of Shiva, God Shiva. Okay, see. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a Patil in the Verud village. This Babaji Raje had rights of Patil. Which village? Verud village. We are learning here Bhosles of Verud. Means Babaji, in simple word, Babaji Raje was Patil of that village. In our village also, Patils are there. Yes, one Patil is there. So like that. This Babaji Raje was Patil of Verud village. He had all rights of Patil. In bracket I'll write here Patil. Patil of village. Babaji Raje, he was Patil of Verud village. He had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Okay, Vithoji Raje has repaired Krishneshwar's temple. He was great devotee of Lord Shiva. Now see, in next paragraph what is given? Do you understand this much? Tree diagram it is here. I have drawn here because you should understand it properly. As a link you have to understand it. See, very simple it is. Babaji Raje, his two sons Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Now see, next paragraph, put your index finger there. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. They had in their service many armed Marathas troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Amber was his wazir or chief minister. Chief minister means CM. Malik Amber was able and wise. The two capable and brave brothers from Verud soon caught his attention. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. See, what is in this now? Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both, these two are brothers. They were both brave and enterprising. Enterprising means bold, means always ready to do initiative work. Okay, see, enterprising. Enterprising means bold or initiative to do new work. Okay, so these two brothers, they were brave and bold or enterprising. You can keep in mind. They had in their service many armed Marathas. Now what is mean by armed? Marathas we know, but armed, ED, okay, not only arm. ARMED, arm. Arm means carrying weapons. People who are carrying weapons. In full sentence we'll write people who carried weapons. People who carried weapons. See, arm means people who carried weapons. So what is given? They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. Troops means group. At the time of Republic Day, Independence Day, we are making troops of students. Yes, for march past. So like those troops. Troops were there with weapons. All those troops had weapons also. So like this, armed Maratha troops were there with these two brothers, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. It was a period of great unrest. We have seen it was a great period of unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. See, Mughal emperor from Delhi. Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. That attack on the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Where? Nizam Shah. See, this word is very important one for us. Here we will take Nizam Shah. Attack on Nizam Shah. Who? Mughal emperor from Delhi. Keep in mind, Mughal emperor from Delhi attack on the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then capital of Nizam Shah. At that time, Daulatabad was capital of Nizam Shah. And Malik Ambar was his wazir. What is his name? Malik Ambar. See. Malik Ambar was his wazir. Wazir means chief minister. Chief minister. Malik Ambar, he was wazir and we can say chief minister also. Who? Malik Ambar. Whose? Nizam Shah's. Nizam Shah's wazir or chief minister was Malik Ambar. Okay? See. So, Malik Ambar was his wazir or chief minister. Malik Ambar was able and wise. How was this person? Able and wise. Wise means clever. Malik Ambar was wise or wise means clever, able or wise. Means he was able to take decisions properly. He was clever, so he was taking decisions properly and carefully. So like this, Malik Ambar was there. He was wazir or we can say chief minister. Do you understand? Very good. So see, what he did then? The two capable and brave brothers from Virur soon caught his attention. This Malik Ambar caught attention of Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Means Malik Ambar comes to know these two people because of their great work, because of their braveness. Okay? He come to know these two people. Who? Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. See. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred means, what I have told you in morning, conferred means grant. Conferred means grant. He grant, where it went? He grant on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. He told to Shah about these two people and their braveness and their work. So Shah grant this Maloji Raje. What he grant? Jagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. See, Jagir, Pune and Supe Pargana. Pune and Supe Pargana. Who got Jagir? Maloji Raje, because he was elder brother. So, because of his work, Malik Ambar recommended his name to Shah and he offered Jagir to Maloji Raje, Pune and Supe Pargana. Okay? So see. So the Bhosle became rich and powerful. So now Bhosles become powerful and rich because first their father was Patil of Virur village. Now this Maloji Raje, he is Jagir. I told you, Jagir means those people are thinking themselves as a king of that kingdom. Yes. So they got power now. They become powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. What was his wife's name? Maloji Raje's wife? See, his wife Umabai. and she belongs to Nimbalkar family. She came from Nimbalkar. Okay, so means her previous name was Umabai Nimbalkar. After marriage she became Umabai Maloji Bhosle. Okay, so Maloji Raje married with Umabai. See, she came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Now this Maloji and Umabai, they had two sons. I'll draw here now, combine only. Shahaji and Sharifji. Shahaji and Sharifji. Umabai's two children, Shahaji and Sharifji. Okay, so see, I'll draw it here so you can see it properly. Shahaji and Sharifji. Now, this much do you understand? Babaji Raje, his two children, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Vithoji Raje become Jagir. He got Jagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. He married with Umabai. Umabai belongs to Nimbalkar family. And now, Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Okay, this much. See. See now. So, the Bhosle became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. This Maloji Raje killed in battle of Indapur. See where? Indapur. He killed in the battle of Indapur. At that time, this Shahaji was only of 5 years old. How much? 5 years old. Shahaji was only of 5 years old. So, he was unable to handle this Jagir because he was only of 5 years old. So, see what is given. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then, Vithoji Raje looked after the children and Jagir. Their uncle. Who is their uncle? Vithoji Raje. This Vithoji Raje look after these children and Jagir also. Who look after the children? Vithoji Raje. Towards Jagir also and towards children also. Then, later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav. Then Vithoji Raje asked for Shahaji's marriage. Whom? Lakhujirao Jadhav's daughter. We have seen Lakhujirao Jadhav. Jadhav's from Sindhkhed. Lakhujirao Jadhav. So Vithoji Raje asked for Shahaji Raje, Lakhujirao Jadhav's daughter. What was her name? Jijabai. You listen, Jijabai name? Yes, very good. All know Jijabai. See, Lakhuji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Whatever proposal was sent by Vithoji Raje for Shahaji Raje. So, Lakhoji Rao Jadhav accepted that proposal. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was brave Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. Where? Nizam Shah only. Now, this Maloji Raje got Jagir from Nizam Shah. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was also brave Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. This Lakhoji Rao Jadhav commanded great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. He celebrated Shahaji Raje and Jijabai's marriage or wedding with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Fortune means, now Jijabai became fortune of Bhosle family. See, fortune. Fortune means fate. Fortune means fate or good luck. We are saying good luck. So, Jijabai became fortune for Bhosle family. Okay, do you understand this much? Once again, I will revise it this much. So, just we have to get to understand by this much diagram only. If you will learn this much diagram, this one page you have learned. Okay, see. The Bhosles of Virud. In Bhosle family, Babaji Raje was Patil of Virud village. He had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Okay, these two brothers were brave and enterprising. Enterprising means bold. Okay, means they were always taking initiative for new work. So, this Malik Ambar, Wazir of Nizam Shah, he comes to know these two people, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. So, he recommended their names to Nizam Shah. And Nizam Shah granted it, and he gave Jagir to Maloji Raje of Pune and Supe Pargana. Whom? To Maloji Raje, because he was elder brother. So he gave Jagir to to Maloji Raje of Pune and Pargana. Then Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She was from Nimbalkar's house. Nimbalkar from Fulton. Very good, you all learned it. Very good. So now Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had again two sons. See, Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje had two sons. What were those names? Shahaji and Sharifji. We can say Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. But Shahaji and Sharifji, because now they were small at that time. So after that, in Indapur's battle, this Maloji Raje was killed. But that time Shahaji Raje was only of 5 years old. His age was only 5 years. So he was unable to handle Jagir. So Vithoji Raje, his uncle, who was Shahaji's uncle, he looked after the Jagir and these children. And when Shahaji Raje grown up, that time Vithoji Raje sent proposal of Shahaji's marriage to Lakhoji Rao Jadhav for his daughter. Means Shahaji Raje and Lakhoji Rao Jadhav's daughter, they get married, and Lakhoji Rao Jadhav enjoy their wedding with great pomp. Then Jijabai become part of Bhosle's family, and she was fortune for Bhosle's family. Do you understand? Fortune means fate. Fate means lucky. Okay, she was lucky woman for Bhosle's family. We are going to learn how she was lucky, what work she did, but we are going to learn it in next lessons. Okay, we have learned history. We have to learn step by step. Then only it will be easier one. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. At the last, in this video, you are going to get homework. So thank you very much.